How to make effective hand sanitizer at home that kills coronavirus. A hand sanitizer consists of a pretty basic formula, and it's easy to make your own at home. These are the ingredients you'll need. 2/3 cup 99% isopropyl alcohol. You can find isopropyl alcohol at any drugstore or pharmacy. A 16 ounces bottle is fine, and you'll be able to make a lot of hand sanitizer with that. 1/3 cup 92% aloe vera gel. You need to mix the isopropyl alcohol with something, because on its own it will burn your hands. The ideal solution is aloe vera gel, as it acts as a natural moisturizer. 8 to 10 drops of essential oils. If you need to add some fragrance to the mix, pick up a pack of essential oils. This is not needed, but most pocket hand sanitizers these days have some fragrance, and if you are used to the smell, it doesn't cost much to pick up a few essential oils. Bowl and spoon to mix it all together. A basic funnel to get your hand sanitizer into a bottle. Plastic travel bottles for storing the hand sanitizer. Once you get your hand sanitizer ready, you'll need bottles to carry it in. You can get a set of 25 2-ounces bottles. Get the ones that come with a flip top that makes it easy to squeeze out the hand sanitizer. If you are making hand sanitizer for home use, you can get a 6-pack of 8 ounces bottles. Nitrile gloves so you don't burn your hands when making the hand sanitizer. How to make the most effective hand sanitizer at home. Before you start making your own hand sanitizer at home, a very important point to note. Isopropyl alcohol is highly flammable and will burn your skin if it come into direct contact with your hands. I recommend using gloves as a precaution. Once you are ready to get started, here's what you need to do. Pour the isopropyl alcohol and aloe vera gel into the bowl. As hand sanitizers need to contain at least 60% alcohol to be effective, you should ideally maintain a 2-to-1 ratio of isopropyl alcohol to aloe vera gel. For every 4 ounces of isopropyl alcohol you should mix 2 ounces of aloe vera gel. Add essential oils to the mix if needed. You do not necessarily need essential oils, but if you like a particular smell, you can add a few drops of oil. Stir the ingredients together with a spoon and pour them into plastic bottles using a funnel. Your hand sanitizer is ready to go. Smiley face.